In this clip I thought I'd show you the fun and games I had trying to buy a protective case for my Hubsan 501S drone. Normally I like to go to shops, local shops and stores and buy things from there. However, with Hubsan being a Chinese manufacturer, there aren't any supplies in my local area. Therefore I was forced to shop online. Whenever I shop online, there is one store I go to time and time again, and that's amazon.co.uk. As you know, Amazon is a massive store and there's loads of products, loads of supplies, and if you can't find it on Amazon, you won't find it anywhere else. There are other reasons I use Amazon though. Firstly, the customer service is second to none. If I have any issues with anything I buy from Amazon, I can jump on chat and get the problem or issue sorted out very quickly and efficiently. With a 9-to-5 job, getting to the phone to call suppliers to sort out issues is a bit of a challenge. However, with Amazon, it's open when I get home, so I have no problems there. Secondly, if I have any returns, I can simply walk up the road and put them in the post office. Thirdly, Amazon pay for return postage, which means I haven't got to put my hand in my pocket in the first instance and then try and reclaim it back from the seller. This is a big bonus in itself. Amazon is a fantastic shop, and like I said, it's the first one I go to, and if I can't get it off Amazon, I generally don't buy it online at all. So the first thing I looked for when I was looking for a bag for my Hubsan 501S drone was a drone bag. Right, the first hit is this Dayard waterproof case for the DJI Spark. This was the type of bag I was looking for. It's a hard case, which means it's more protective, and it has nice foam insert which is pre-cut to hold all the elements of, in this case, the DJI Spark drone. I mean, the drone itself sits in there nice and tight, the controller sits there, and other accessories are all fitted around it. This is the type of case I wanted for my Hubsan 501S drone. Unfortunately, Dayard don't make one for the Hubsan, so I had to do a bit more digging. So I put in drone case for Hubsan 501S. Right, as you can see, the search results don't show a great deal, and the options are pretty limited. Most of them, which I saw, are this rucksack design, which when you click on there, have these little inserts which you can place in the bag to make separate compartments. This here is not a protective case for a Hubsan 501S drone, or any drone for that matter. This is a generic photography bag which is mainly used for digital photography equipment and not specifically made for drones. I have loads of these bags, being a photographer, and I did actually try and make my own bag into a suitable bag for the drone, but when I put things in the compartments, I zipped the bag up, put the bag on my back, and everything fell to the bottom. It didn't protect my drone whatsoever. This bag is only suitable for a drone if you intend to store it and not actually take it anywhere in the bag. So if we go down, I spent more time searching, and most of the hits were of this bag type. After several minutes, I finally stumbled across the Transfer ABS waterproof backpack hardshell case, which, as you can see, I bought earlier on this month. This case had everything I wanted it to. It was, or it is, hard plastic, which is very protective, and if you click in here, it's got the foam inners and it's got everything perfectly cut out for the Hubsan 501S drone. The drone obviously fits there, the controller fits there, and then there's several other little slots and compartments for spare batteries, the charger, propellers, and everything else like that. The best thing about this bag is that I can fit the drone in it without having to remove the propellers, which is great. So needless to say, I ended up ordering this bag. At £49 this bag is expensive, and the other issue is it came from China, which means that it had a long lead time on it. When I bought it, the lead time I was looking at was 4 to 6 weeks. However, I actually managed to get it within 3 weeks, which isn't too bad at all. Now the case has been delivered, I have to say that I'm more than happy with it, and it is definitely the best thing. The generic bags are rubbish and are definitely not suitable for drones. However, this hardshell case is. So if you have a Hubsan 501S drone or the 501C drone and are looking for a protective bag to keep your investment well protected and also in one place, I highly recommend this Transfer ABS waterproof backpack. It really is a great product, and I'm going to do a full review of it in a future clip, so keep your eyes peeled for that. So after 20 odd minutes or so of hunting around Amazon looking for a case for my drone, I finally found what I was after. Yep, Amazon definitely is the place to go for any spares.